Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to give you trending Tiki Tiki full edit presets, so make sure to watch till the end. So now let's see the preview.
I can do this all day.
Give up, do you?
Hope you liked the video. Presets will drop on Telegram channel once this video hit 500 likes. Do 200 comment if you want tutorial. See you in the next one.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is